So the only difference between those traders who make money in the year of 2008 and those who don't. What's up guys, today is another beautiful Sunday. We are just chilling out, having fun. No, actually hustling on a Sunday again. So today we're gonna do a couple of things. Number one, we're gonna do some videos for you. And number two, I'm gonna do some research. Number three, I'm gonna do some reading. And number four, what's number four again? Actually, I don't really remember what's number four, but it's definitely something to do with food. I've been telling you guys, ever since I was 17 years old, I am studying or reading something every single day. Whether it's reading like a book or something, I don't know whether it's a habit or am I born that way. I know I'm not, because when I was 16 years old, I was a game addict. Okay, if some of you here who have problems with your game addiction, don't worry, because I have been there. Being a gamer actually really helps you become a good trader, believe me or not. But that doesn't mean that you need to go install some games just because Careful tells you to. What I'm saying is that you can still play the game of money. Okay? And one of them is investing in stocks. So yeah, I'm gonna do some stock videos for you soon if you want. I spent so many years studying that, and I grew up watching stock charts, and I need to share that with you. I need to vomit out to you. So when people ask me, Karen, what is it that when you can trade, why do you need to share advice? Then there are a second group of people who's like, how come you have so much experience but you don't share it with us? You're so selfish. Because I know some of you want like a stock investing course. Can I tell you something? I don't have a stock investing course, nor will I plan to have one. Because you know why? I want to spoil the market. That's it. I'm going to spoil the market. And how do I spoil the market? I'm going to give you all the stock knowledge that I have in my brain to you for free. If you really want to be like, Karen, I really want to pay you, I'm going to give you my credit card number. Just send me some money. Because even though for Forex, I'm planning to write a book, which you can buy if you want. But for stocks, I'm really just planning to put it out to you, just like that on YouTube. Unless YouTube decides one day, I'm gonna charge every person who's gonna watch YouTube videos. Then I can't do anything about it. Then you complain to YouTube. Do stay tuned for more stock videos aside from Forex, and hopefully you like it. Okay, I'll tell you something like recently, like my lungs hurt like crazy. Why is that? Because number one, I didn't properly stretch before I go swimming. I really injured my lungs, like really genuinely injured my lungs. So that's why I need to take a break from swimming for a couple of days. Any of you guys type A personalities, when you stop pushing yourself beyond your limits, you just feel so uncomfortable. Then it feels like you need to just do something, but at the same time you realize that you have an injury that you can't do anything about it. It is the most painful thing in my life. Lungs are still recovering, and I need to cut down on my training a lot. Then as every day passes, my mind is like, your competition is working 10 times harder than you. Pray for me, alright? Back to hustling. Done with my reading, done with my research, done with my video. So I've got my books going on, right? And then this is my research. Productive day today. Really tired. I don't know how can I continue until midnight. So the thing is, when it comes to weekends, you need to prepare for the trading week if you want to qualify for the top 1% of successful traders. While the rest of the traders, they be like, it's break time, it's weekends. Then you have got to be like, sharpen your sword. Then when the opportunity comes, market's pretty chaotic the past few weeks. Bitcoin crash, Dow Jones crash. Now if you're somebody who can manage your risk properly, you wouldn't be panicking. Okay, just to tell you that. Because you got to learn from 2008. People, they just don't learn from 2008. They just repeat the same mistake again and again and again. Like, when are you gonna learn? So the only difference between those traders who make money in the year of 2008 and those who don't make money and those who get burnt in 2008 comes down to one thing. Because of how optimistic the market is, you still need to be disciplined and still stick with your risk management plan. Doesn't mean everybody is over leveraging, then you need to be over leveraging. Go for a quick dinner now, just finish my tea. Gotta buy some more drinks. The thing is, this microphone, I don't really like it because it's like, it's always get tangled. Just like my, headsets. You know, the tangled headsets they get. Why? All these wires, why? It's dinner time to see how dark it is outside. So, it would be good, right, to change all of my stuff to wireless so that I don't deal with the stupid tangled stuff. What should I eat for dinner? Just did another video for you. Today is like a video recording day, hustle day. You know what happened just now? Nail was in between the chair and the table and then it just hit. Imagine your finger being sandwiched in between the chair and then the table, and then you push the chair really hard. Like it's dying inside, my nails dying inside. Become really, really red right now. I'm not showing you the middle finger. So my lungs are injured now, my fingers are injured. Why doesn't the world let me get back to swimming? Maybe I should just compete in chess. Any of you play chess? Let me know. Or Chinese checkers or mahjong. Gotta eat dinner now. Dinner time. My nails. It's red. I can't even open my bottle. That's it. But anyway, today's still a good day. A bad finger won't ruin my day. Got my dinner, got everything done. So back to hustle mode. All my classmates in university, they all were top 10% in their secondary school or in their whole entire cohort. I need to be in the top 5% to even get to my course, which is the business course in Nanyang Technological University and also National University of Singapore. So I studied in both universities. So back then, in order for me to climb to the top 1%, I need to study when they are not studying. Meaning that during Chinese New Year, I'm studying. During Christmas, I'm studying. Every single public holiday, I'm studying. No rest days at all. During semester breaks, I'm studying. 3 to 4 years, I never took a single day of break, and that's why there are so many days where I call my mom and be like, I can't take it anymore. Next day I just wake up and then be like, let's do it. Aside from the financial knowledge that I get from business school in Singapore, it also gave me the work ethic. I just get so used to hustling every day, Saturday, Sunday, public holiday, Christmas, Chinese New Year, that right now when I'm doing this, it just feels normal. So I'm not telling you that you should not take breaks, hustle from Monday to Sunday for 3 years. I'm not telling you to do that. That's just based on my preference. What I'm saying is that if you really want to get that extra edge, you need to do things that other people are not willing to do.
Ganja smoking, they got rum in me cup. Bad girls wind up on the dance floor. All the girls wind up on the dance floor.
Yes, I'm so tired. Just looking at the charts for a little bit. Got my dinner done. And speaking of my classmates, just want to say something is that a lot of them have went on to become bankers. They joined Goldman Sachs, they joined JP Morgan. So those of you who are still in university studying finance, want to go to investment banks, don't. Those who are left in investment banks are those who can't go to hedge funds, meaning that they can't trade themselves. And all these investment bankers, they are living paycheck by paycheck. And last time I did apply to a couple of different companies like Goldman Sachs, and I visited their office too and talked to some of the employees. I went to Barclays, went to JP Morgan, lots of training floors I went to. And then I started to think about, do I want this kind of life where I work from Monday to Sunday, being all burnt out, and yet not being able to express my creativity. So seeing all my friends being in investment banks right now, some of them earning a good paycheck, but then some of them deep down inside they are not happy because they are pursuing finance just for money and no other reason. So that's why when I always tell people that you shouldn't go into trading just for the money, they be like, what? Did you just say that? I did just say that. Don't go into trading just for the money. If you're not passionate about finance, you're not passionate about the financial markets, don't trade forex just for the money. Go pursue something else. There are lots of ways you can make money in this whole entire world. Start an online business, go affiliate marketing, go partnership with somebody, start a new project, a profit organization, non-profit organization. Lots of different ways that you can earn money in this world. Forex is just a small part of it. Go into stock investing, go into bonds, go into anything, just anything that you're passionate about. Start a cooking business, become an artist, sell your art, sell shit that you're passionate about. You can earn way lot of money than trying to pursue something just for the money only to get burnt. Because I learned from my classmates, some of them, they want to start their own clothing line, but they have to wear a suit and then work on a bank every single day, and they're miserable. Life is short, guys. Pursue something that you love. And of course, that something that you love must be enough to generate you income so that you can continue to pursue your passion. Hopefully you have a good weekend as well. So with that, I'll talk to you in the next vlog. Have a good sleep. Good night.